Hi! In front of me is CAT S53 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, install Magic Fluids from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and if you want to, mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now select this gear at the top left one. Choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Set Wallpaper at the bottom and tap on one of those options. In my case, home screen only. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!